The biggest problem for every plant lover during the rainy season is pests. So how do we protect our plants from pests during this rainy season? Well, there are a few things that you can do. First thing is to avoid overhead watering. If you have to water your plants, do it from the bottom. If you water from the top, then the pests will love it because the water will end up in the soil and they will start breeding. So water from the bottom and just make sure that the soil is moist. Don't overwater. Second thing is about drainage. Make sure that your pot has a drainage hole. If the pot doesn't have a drainage hole, then water will accumulate at the bottom and the roots will end up burning and the plant will die. And finally, inspect your plants regularly for pests. If you see any pests, just remove them immediately. Better safe than sorry. Share this video with your friends and family so that they, too, can protect their plants. And follow us for more such videos